Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
What you invest per thumbnail?
We probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right image and it's good. Because like the thumbnail makes the difference between 50 million views or 200 million. So
what if I say that you can create similar thumbnails to Mr. Beast? So let's begin the video. Here you have this pixel where you can generate thumbnails with the help of this AI tool exactly similar to Mr. Beast and many other YouTubers. So let's begin the video. Here for starting you have to click on try for free. Here you have many login options. You can log in with your Google ID, Apple ID or with your Dexcode ID. Here I will just continue with my Google ID. This is basically how their website looks. You can see that. So let's go and create thumbnails. So first we have this thumbnail and second we have here recreate thumbnails. I will show you both. So let's first talk about thumbnail. Here you have to describe what type of thumbnail you want. Here I have this inspiration. You can see a man freezing in mountain with -20 Celsius temperature. So here I will just go and will try to recreate similar one. A man freezing in the mountains and snow is falling. This is freezing. Okay, so here I have written what that prompt look like. So we'll just go and we'll generate that and we'll see how it will turn out. Here you can see the thumbnail generated by this pixel. Here you have this watermark. You can remove that later. I will tell you how you can remove that in the end. You can see here how it turned out. And this was our original inspo. You can see that this was a thumbnail of a video with 3.3 million views. You can see that. And if you don't like it, you can go and you can regenerate as I did. And here they have regenerated the picture for us. You can see the picture here how it turned out. And here you also have this edit option where you can go and you can edit your thumbnail. Now let's go and try the recreate where you can recreate thumbnails similar to your famous YouTubers. Here I have this inspiration video, so just let's go and copy the link from here. Now here you have to just paste the link and you can select here if you want high inspiration weight, low or medium. I will just go with medium here. And here you also have this change option where you can write any change if you want in the reference picture. You can do that. After doing all these things, simply click on generate and here you can see that how our picture turned out. And if we show you the original one, this was the Mr. Beast picture and this was the picture that we have generated. They both look kind of similar and we have just created that picture in few minutes. Now for this time, let's go and pick this one here. I will just go and I will copy it from here and here we will paste that. And here I will go with inspiration rate high and will generate that. Now here you can see this thumbnail generated by Pixel, and if we go and if we compare that with Mr. Beast thumbnail, you can see here how similar both these thumbnails looks. And this Mr. Beast thumbnail has 326 million views. You can see that, and we have generated similar type of thumbnail in few minutes. And now here the real game begins, how you can change the face. So here you also have option called swipe face where you can change the face on the thumbnail. So let's go. For that you have to click on here swipe and then you have to upload the media. Now here I will just add this one picture here. Just click on now generate. And here you can see that they have generated a face swap picture for us in few minutes. You can see that here. Now let's talk about how you can remove watermarks. So for that you have to go to upgrade here. You have to buy the plans here. They have these annually plans and they have monthly plans. You can see here all this thing and you can buy one. And that was all about how you can generate thumbnails in these pixels. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.